Hi guys, General Bajaj forms are out. So both the forms are out for MSc Finance and MHRD program. Both of them are out now. So you can fill the form. In the description box I given the link, or you can directly go to jbims.edu site. You can find out the link there. So I'll give the complete walk you through the process, how you fill the form, so that all the achievements, references, everything is right, so that we don't miss out on any data. And thank you Kritika for sending me these details. So she has sent me every screenshot, 30 screenshots she has sent me. So thank you for taking that much effort. So both the forms are out. We have the form here. So let's fill the form. So starting with the name, mobile number, detail, simple status, simple part, that is your personal detail that you can obviously fill aram se. And then we have your designation. If you are working, you can have to put your designation and everything. Okay. Company, that is the first part. Relationship and all these things, that is the first part. Okay, then we move to the academic record. Your percentage wise CGPA, whichever grades you have got, you have to put your SSC, and then you upload the mark sheet as well. So you have to take a CAM. Abhi now CAM, this thing is banned now, because CAM Studio used to be the best software. Kya tha CAM Studio na? So used to be the best software. Now please, if you know any software, how to take a screenshot, you can please post. I am using Samsung Note. So Samsung Note mein there is a inbuilt way to take a scan, the kind of scanned copy. So please use a scanned copy rather than a normal photo. Yep, you have many apps are there which can scan the document for CAM scanner. Sorry, now CAM scanner is banned. Chinese अच्छा वो ban हो गया. So you can download. You have to use that so that you can have a better picture. Yeah, HSC mark sheet, you have to upload the mark sheet. Graduation, you have to put a CGPA or whichever system you have to update your marks. Graduation degree and year. Now a lot of students who are in final year, this is a confusion going on, which marks to put. Now for that you have to wait for the confirmation from JB. Yeah, I want you to talk to JBIMS and what marks to put. Otherwise what you can do, you can put the 2 years ka marks. Okay, but please wait for the confirmation. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं आ रहा. दैट्स अ मेन प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज द कैट एग्जाम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू फिल कैट एंड सीटी का फॉर्म, दे आस्क यू इफ यू आर इन फाइनल ईयर, नो प्रॉब्लम, दे नॉट आस्क यू फॉर द मार्क्स देन. But here we have to put something, so we need to check what to fill. Yeah, then you have to individually fill the SEM ka marks, all the 6 SEMs. If you are a non-engineer, engineer, all the 8 SEM marks, CGPA percentage, and upload your mark sheets. Fine. So once you upload your mark sheet, blah 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 da 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 da, this is all you can do. Then we move to the next part, the main part. आगे जाके. So look at the hard work. Yeah, she has sent me a screenshot of everything. Okay. Now we move to the next part. So they have given the complete step-by-step process here. So entrance exam, which all exams you have given. Okay. Now this is a very very good point here. CET में suppose I've got 98.8 percentile, but CAT में I've got 55 percentile. Do not mention your CAT की percentile. Why? Because see, anyone above 97 percentile will get a call. Yeah, for MSc Finance, the cutoff is 97. So everybody who have got a call, okay, let me say ulta. Anybody who have got a call must have 97% plus. All of you have got same marks, good marks. But they will question in the interview why you got 55 here. तो जब इतने गंदे मार्क्स दिखाने क्यों, right? So only if you have good marks, please post. Otherwise, don't post. Are you getting point? If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. I might make part 2 of the video as well, in case you have more questions. Yeah. So after this, they are asking you for a CAT score and all these things, percentile. Now come the work experience. Which company you worked for, your designation, years of experience. Only full-time work experience after graduation is counted. If you're working part-time along with the graduation, that is not counted as the work experience. That can be counted as a project assignments, but that not counted as the work ex. Salary and which industry you want to work for. And you have to upload the certificate for that. Yep, you have to upload the certificate. For example, one of my employees who is also filling the form for MSc Finance, he specially came to my home today, even during this lockdown, to take my sign. Because work experience letter पे sign होना चाहिए. Yeah, what are documents are needed? You can go to cetking.com/documents. cetking.com/documents. I uploaded the sample documents. You can check out the documents, that which documents are required. Yeah. After that work experience, we move to the achievements column. So if you are a rank holder, you have to upload the proof for that. Yeah. Now, sometimes proofs are not available. For example, if I was a school topper, I just have a trophy for that. वो लकड़ी का ट्रॉफी होता था. So लकड़ी का ट्रॉफी का फोटो खींच के you can upload. Yeah. Or if you have any email today is a valid proof, guys. If you have, for example, I was employee of the quarter. Yeah, मेरे को £300 मिला था when I was in UK, and I bought DSLR camera from that. वो मैंने आज तक यूज़ नहीं किया कैमरा, वो अलग बात है. But I got that thing. But there is no proof for that. Apart from the camera, I have no proof. ठीक है. तो the only proof I have is an email from my boss. This guy have got the Quadric award. That email is a 100% valid proof I can upload here. And you can add more achievements. So any achievements where you have a proof, please upload. Yeah. You should mention 3 to 4 good achievements. For example, you worked in an NGO. Email chalega. Email ka screenshot is a valid proof. Okay. Then these are the lists which you can choose from: academic topper, scholarship, position held, competition won. Now scholarship, most of us are blank. If your parents have been a government employee, you have got a scholarship in your 10th and 12th class. Yes, state government, central government, सबको मिलता है. ठीक है, आपके डैड ने आपको दिया नहीं था वो अलग बात है, वो डैड को मिला होगा 500 रुपये, 1000 रुपये, नॉट वेरी मच, नॉट अ बिग अमाउंट, स्मॉल अमाउंट, 500,000, दैट इज स्कॉलरशिप यार. For example, I have 2 scholarship, PSB, Punjab Sindh Bank scholarship for 10th class merit and 12th class merit from Punjab and Sindh Bank. समझा? 2 चीज़ों को मैंने घुमा के लिखा so that I can mention 2 scholarships. बस तुम्हारा भाई एकदम एक्सपर्ट हो गया रातों रात. या इफ़ यू आर गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई, प्लीज़ टॉक टू योर डैड. उनको मिला था. ठीक है, उसके लिए प्रूफ क्या चाहिए? ईमेल. टेल योर डैड टू ईमेल यू कि येस दिस वार्ड हैव बीन अवॉर्डेड scholarship for 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, whatever money. Email with a valid proof. Competition won and position held. You were the CR, you were this, you were that. Proof चाहिए. Photograph will work. Yeah. Even participated any of the events you can mention here. All the events, sports society में आप थे. ठीक है. You can mention all those things here. Okay. So referees, now this is the main point. मुझे आज जब से फॉर्म आया ना, I've got 3 questions, 3 students talking to me. पहले सर how are you, हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा. साले गुरु में कल था, तेको आज याद आ रहा है. सर can I put your name as a reference? तो आंसर is no. Not because I don't want to put my name, because I'm not a valid. See, coaching classes का people are not a valid referees. Referee have to be your college का teacher. ठीक है, have to be a college ka teacher, or it can be your office ka boss. Yeah, my employee who is applying for this form, yes, he can use my reference and I would love to give him the reference because I was his employer. Yeah, he can use my name. You cannot use my name, please. ठीक है, तो referee के लिए you have to take care of that. You have to go to your college का teacher, somebody. मम्मी पापा नहीं चलेगा. Okay, employer, office or college, professional. Coaching classes come as a part of the private. The coaching classes is not valid. Any additional information you want to verify about JB, हमारा नाम डाल दो यार, please mention my name. By the way, सीट वहाँ पे हुआ है. I was invited for JBIMS का MHRD program का. We made a few videos with the students there. So seat ticking डाल सकते हो तो डाल दो, मर्जी आपकी. College website, whichever information you want to add here. Have you applied for the JB before? Yes or no? If you want to mention, you can mention there. Anything you want to mention apart from this, you can add here your achievements. You already have done achievements. You can add here your strengths. Don't add your weakness. Strength or hobbies you can add here. Okay. And then last may upload the photo and bingo, you are sorted. Yep. Any question you have, please do mention. I'll be more than happy to make a video out of that. All the best.